Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration section. Here we'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume you should swipe this volume panel to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just by using the volume buttons here on the right side of the device. And now just by press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, click here on the three dots, and by this way you can also swipe up or swipe down the ringtone volume panel, and by this way we can change the ringtone volume of our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.